Here we are. This is Marantz AV7705. It has 7 HDMI inputs at the rear. Unfortunately, 5 of them are faulty. Now, what may have caused the damage of the HDMI switchers? If you would read the user manual carefully, you would find a note that warns you not to plug or unplug any cables when the power cord is connected. As soon as you plug your unit into the wall socket, the switched mode power supply powers up the digital PCB, even if your unit is switched off. If you want to avoid any damage to the inner components, please make sure that you never hot plug your HDMI cables. I have a strong feeling that was exactly what happened to this Marantz AV7705.